Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix focus mode is not working on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. If you are facing this issue, keep watching the video until the end and fix focus mode is not working on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. Restart your iPhone. Force restart your iPhone by pressing the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. Number second, check focus setting. Go to the settings and little bit scroll up to find focus and tap on it. Make sure focus is turned on. You can see focus is turned on. If turn it off, simply turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset focus settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Reset all settings, reset home screen and layout, reset home screen and layout and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is check for software update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. If you are using new iOS 18 beta version, simply wait for the next update and downgrade and upgrade your iPhone with the official latest iOS version and fix this problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset your iPhone settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your iPhone settings and fix this problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, checking for any conflicting apps for settings, ensure your iPhone screen time and notification are set up correctly, visiting an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching.